What's up, everybody? It's Stas here. Welcome back to another video. As you guys read in the title of this video, I just wanted to share with you guys how I made $200 yesterday day trading Tesla. And I was not able to upload this video yesterday because I was very busy. I was actually at school all day, so I was not able to record and upload this video. But today's Tuesday, and I figured I would just cover it for you guys quickly today so I could show you guys what I did personally with Tesla and how I followed through with my plan that I was talking about on Sunday's video. So for those of you guys that did not watch Sunday's video, it was titled like the top stock I'm currently watching, and it was actually Tesla. So I called out Tesla, on Sunday's video according to this ascending uptrend pattern that I was able to identify. And by this uptrend pattern, let's cover it again quickly for those of you guys that did not watch Sunday's video. I was able to see that Tesla was creating higher lows, and we could see that very nicely here with this red stick that I drew. We saw that it bottomed out at $292 here, bottomed out again at $304, bottomed out here at $310, bottomed out here at $315, $316, right around there, and then it was starting to consolidate and bottom out at $325. And what we can notice based off of these price points is, like I said, guys, there are higher lows being formed, and that's a very good sign for an ascending uptrend pattern, which is illustrated again by this line that I drew in Sunday's videos. So my original plan with Tesla was to see that if it was going to hold above this $325 price point here, and if it was to hold above that, and if it was to start to form an uptrend and a cup pattern from here, that's where I was going to put in my money. But if it was not going to do that, if it was going to fall below this, I was going to wait until about $310, $305 to actually invest into Tesla. But since it actually went with my plan, it actually started to form this cup. The EMA line actually was starting to point up, and it was starting to show signs of a reversal of an uptrend, right? That's actually where I was able to put in my money, like I said in Sunday's video, right at market open on Monday. So if we go closer into this chart, we could see exactly where I was able to get in, and we could see, the pattern a little bit closer. So we can go to the 5-day, 5-minute chart right here, and we can see exactly, this huge upswing that we had yesterday during the market. So we can see that it was consolidating a little bit the past couple of days. Actually, if we go to the 20-day chart, we can see that even better. It was consolidating here, right around this price point levels here. We saw it hit highs of 360. We saw it drop all the way down to 326, went back up to about 335, back down to 323. Classic consolidation for Tesla here, 334, right around here is where it was like getting closer to that $325 price point, and that's where I was keeping my eyes very, very closely on Tesla. So I was actually able to get in Monday morning market open. So if we go back to this 5-day, 5-minute chart, we saw that there was actually a little bit of a sell-off, yesterday at the market open. We saw it opened up at about $328, and we saw it drop down to $325, right? And then we saw it break above this EMA line, and this is actually where I was able to put in $5,000, into Tesla. And then from here, guys, I was able to ride it up all the way to 347. I didn't sell at 347, but I did sell once it broke below this EMA line, once it started to, consolidate at this particular price point. And that's actually a very good point to sell. If any of you guys are watching stocks and you see that they're, starting to flatline, break below the EMA line, that's a good place to cover profits. So it hit 347, as we can see right here, and then when it broke below this EMA line, I sold at about $345, and I took a 5% gain with $5,000, and that's $200. So if your goal is to make, $200 a day in the stock market, $100 a day in the stock market, it's a very, very possible thing for you guys to do, and that's what I'm showing you guys on this channel. And what I want to continue to show you on this channel is how to make consistent profits on day trading, swing trading, whatever kinds of stocks that you truly understand, any ETFs that you truly understand. So that's what I'm going to be showing you with this particular channel, as all you guys should know by now. So I made $200 on Tesla, guys. It's very, very important to be able to identify these particular patterns. Like I was able to identify this ascending uptrend pattern. So I hope you guys enjoyed this particular video. I know it was a little short of a video. I just wanted to update you guys on how I made this particular profit. And if you guys want to see all the profits that I make, how I perform in the stock market on my personal account, make sure to follow me on Instagram. Link should be down below at Stas_Surfest_entrepreneurship. I post all my profits on my Instagram stories, and I make posts whenever I drop new videos, whenever anything big is happening in my personal life, I put it on that Instagram account. So if you guys want to follow that, if you want to see how much money I'm actually making in the stock market, link down below in the description. Follow me on there, and you'll be able to be updated with all that kind of stuff. So if you found value in this video, guys, make sure to drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Let's make some money today, guys. Peace.